The following video is meant to guide you through the process of measuring for an RV, motorhome, or travel trailer replacement door. When measuring for a replacement door, we will need to measure the opening that the door sits in and not the door itself. We will not be able to build a replacement door by simply measuring the dimensions of your existing door. Instead, we need to measure the space the door and frame reside in. This is known as the rough opening and can be measured by following one of two methods. The first and most efficient method to measure your rough opening is as follows. This approach can even be completed by one person. Please take your tape measure and measure all the way up to the skin of your unit, both width and height. It is required that you measure a few different places on both the width and the height, and then provide Challenger door with the smallest measurements on both the width and height. The second method to measure a rough opening requires two people, and it may not be as accurate. Please make sure that any trim that is covering the gap between your sidewall and our outer frame is removed. You will then see where the rough opening starts. The first person will need to hold this block up against the rough cut. Do not hold the block against the door frame. The second person will also need a block and will stand on the opposite side of where the first person is standing. Please make sure that both blocks are all the way up against where the rough cut starts. It is required that you measure a few different places on both the width and the height, and then provide Challenger door with the smallest measurements on both the width and height. These two methods on how to measure the rough opening is so that Challenger door can assure you that you will get a door that will fit 100% correctly 100% of the time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.